You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this Greek name, the name of this public figure from ancient Greece. If you want to learn more names from Greek mythology in particular, make sure to stay tuned. So let's break down, because we got them all at the end of the video. You found the right channel. Let's break it down. Clytemnestra. Yes, I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but it's not that hard once you know. Cly, so it's not cli, okay? I'm sure in Greek it would be cli, but in English it's cly. Clytem. The Americans would say Clydem, with a flap T that sounds like a D, so Clytemnestra. Or British English, Clytemnestra. Clytemnestra, with a stress on the nes syllable. It's easy once you know, right? Clytemnestra. And now you know. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. More Greek names for you here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.